Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I'm your teacher Anam Nawaz. Today I'm going to teach you general knowledge, and our topic is Taus and Tasmiya. Taus. We recite Taus to protect ourselves from shaitan. Let's recite Taus. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. English translation: I seek refuge in Allah from the rejected Satan. I seek refuge in Allah from the rejected Satan. Tasmiya. We recite Tasmiya before starting our any work. Let's recite Tasmiya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English translation: In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Okay, take care of yourself. I will come with next lecture. Allah Hafiz.